Moshi moshi! I hear you're trying to learn Japanese and you're a beginner. So I'm going to tell you the same exact thing that I told my future brother-in-law who's also trying to learn Japanese. In Japan we have 3 alphabets. We have hiragana, katakana, and then kanji. Hiragana, katakana are like the ABCs. They're like 26 or something sounds. And there's one squiggly version of it, which is like our base alphabet. And then you have one not squiggly, like, how do I describe it? Here's the squiggly version, the one on the right. Oh, in this we're gonna read it from right to left. You have the squiggly version on the, is that right for you? On the right, that's hiragana. All the ones on this side, ding, 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 are hiragana. The squiggly ABC's basics. And then all the ones on the other side, ding, 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 those are katakana, which are usually used for loan words, words that are not originally Japanese. But anyway, this is your first step. Before you do anything else, you gotta learn the ABCs, okay? How, Arisa? How am I gonna learn the ABCs? You're gonna memorize them. So, I'll put some links to some charts, some printables. I'll try to put some free stuff and some not free stuff, you know, mix it up for whatever your needs are. Print them out, put them at your computer. You're in a queue time, memorize. You're on the toilet, put them in front of your toilet. You're pooping, memorize. I don't know, wherever you spend a lot of time, put it there. But I'm just gonna help you get started because you might be looking at this and being like, yo, what does any of this mean? And I totally get it, okay? So however you decide you wanna memorize it, I'm just gonna give you the sounds. Play it back, whatever. Maybe I'll make a little, you know what? I'll make a little audio clip. I'll give you resources, okay? I'll make a little Google Drive. I'll give you all of the resources to get started. I'll give you the ABCs. Once you memorize this, then we'll talk about whatever else, okay? You got any questions? Let me know in the comments, and I will talk to you next time. Which in Japanese is matane. Matane! I totally forgot to almost do the most important part for you. Okay, here, ready? We're gonna start. 2 of these are pairs that make the same sound. Just one is in hiragana, one is in katakana, okay? A, I, U, E, O, Ka, Ki, Ku, Ke, Ko, Sa, Shi, Su, Se, So, Ta, Chi, Tsu, Te, To, Na, Ni, Nu, Ne, No, Ha, Hi, Fu, He, Ho, Ma, Mi, Mu, Me, Mo, Ya, Yu, Yo, La, Di. Wait, what? La, Di, Du, De, Lo, Wa, Wo. And sometimes you have to see, like, I don't know, the way that the lips move, probably, right? Ooh, I'm kind of feeling a biru right now. Yeah. This is the biru of my people. It's Orion, which is specifically from Okinawa, which is the island I'm from. Woo! Funny story. Maybe, I don't know. I might actually have video footage of this, but we went to Okinawa. I took my fiance and his brother. Their first time in Japan. They love anime, they love Japanese culture. I want to go back again because I feel like it wasn't enough time, but I digress. We went to Okinawa, my motherland, and they have a drink there, which is a giant poisonous venomous snake inside aomori, which is like their version of sake. And they say that you can drink it for vitality, and we drink it, right? Right before we're about to drink it, I asked the server, I'm like, oh, nanta koto arimasu ka? Like, have you drank this before? And he's like, yeah, heavy desu. And he's like, nah, that's a snake. So for those of you that need to see the visual, because sometimes when you're making the pronunciation, the is important. Ready? starting from the right side, or starting from a, ka, ki, ku, ke, ko, sa, shi, su, se, so, ta, chi, tsu, te, to, na, ni, nu, ne, no, ha, hi, hu, he, ho, ma, mi, mu, me, mo, ya, yu, yo, la, di, ru, de, do, wa, wo, okay? Don't worry about your pronunciation being whatever. You're just getting started, right? Don't worry about it. Just worry about memorizing. Memorize, memorize, memorize. You should be able to point at any one of these letters and know the sound that it's supposed to make, okay? Mata ne!